Are you tired of watching your profits shrink because of trading fees on Binance? What if I told you there are proven ways to cut those fees, sometimes even down to zero? In this video, we'll walk you through powerful strategies to lower your trading fees on Binance and keep more of your hard-earned crypto. Before we jump into how to reduce fees, let's understand how they're calculated. Binance uses a tiered system based on your 30-day trading volume and BNB holdings. The higher your volume and the more BNB you hold, the lower your fees. But there's more to it than just that. The easiest way to save on Binance is by using BNB to pay for trading fees. Just enable the BNB fee payment option in your account settings. This gives you a 25% discount on spot and margin fees and 10% off futures fees instantly. Binance has a VIP system. If you trade over 1 million USD monthly or hold a lot of BNB, you qualify for lower fees. For example, VIP 1 traders pay only 0.09% maker and 0.1% taker fees, and the discounts get better from there. Even without being a VIP, trading more can help. Binance recalculates your 30-day volume daily. If you consistently increase your volume, you move into lower fee brackets. Futures trading on Binance offers cheaper fees than spot. Maker fees can go as low as 0.01% and even negative for VIPs. Taker fees are also lower than spot fees, especially if you use BNB or hold USD CNM futures vouchers. Did you know your referrals can earn you trading fee rebates? Invite friends, and you'll earn up to 40% of their trading fees as kickback, while they also save money if you share a portion with them. Binance often runs promos, like zero-fee pairs or launchpad trading discounts. Participating in these events not only gets you access to new tokens early, but can cut your fees entirely for certain pairs. If you use grid bots for DCA or range trading, optimize them to avoid unnecessary taker fees. Use limit orders as much as possible to get maker fee benefits, which are usually lower. Mistake 1. Only using market orders. Mistake number 2. Not holding BNB. Mistake 3. Not tracking your volume. Avoid these to prevent unnecessary fees eating your profits. Binance frequently updates fee structures and adds new fee promotions. Stay informed via Binance's announcements and mobile app to never miss an opportunity to save. Let's recap. Use BNB, watch your trading volume, grab every promotion, and always stay informed. These small actions can make a big difference in your trading journey.